Hey guys, and welcome to our video number 3 on the series How to Improve Your Pirouettes. Today, it's everything about arms coordination with legs, the dynamic and energy inside this first position, and we're going to do one exercise to remember or to create that habit or that muscle memory of holding that position without breaking. So we keep the energy inside. Now, you may already have noticed in video 1 and 2 how I coordinate legs and arms before doing my turns. I'm going to teach you how I do that. Let's do 5th position. Right leg is going to be this time on the back. You can either do arabesque 4th position, and that's the one we're going to do today because we have done the other way before, which was to the side together. Today we are going to do it with right leg on the back, and we are going to do 1 arabesque, 2 demi-plie, 3, and now when we do that plie, we are going to dip the plie, and we're going to open arms, and together they are going to close. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Focus only on that. Let's do it without the passé. I only want you to focus on open and close. That demi-plie and pas. Only that. Let's do 5th position and let's practice this 2 times. Let's do it together. We go 1 arabesque, 2 4th position, 3 dip that plie and close. Awesome. One more time. Open your left arm, demi-plie and close. Awesome. That's the coordination and dynamic that I need. Now we are going to add something to that exercise. We are going to add a pencil or anything that you can have at home with this size, not too big. We are going to hold it just like we are doing the hands position in ballet. We are going to hold it like that. Perfect. And what we're going to do is to keep it on the left hand, arabesque, plie, open and close. Just that. So you have to remember to bring that right hand up towards this hand and just keep it there. We go down to the back and we are going to repeat arabesque, plie, exactly the same, don't break that position, plie and go. Awesome. And now we are going to do one exercise to focus on that and practice, but also bring back video 1 and 2 tips, okay? Now, we're not going to do this time quarter of a turn. So we're going to do half, half, because we can already for sure do half, half, perfect. With control, with balance, with the body weight well transferred forward, and we're going to add our dynamic of arms. Yeah, let's do it. We are going to have right leg in front. Brava, 1, open, 2, and 3, 4, pirouette, half of a turn, close forward, open arms and down, and go up, open together, close together, 4th position, plie together and back. And we are going to do that 2 times. So in total we are going to do 4 turns to the side, or 4 half of turns to the side, and we continue straight all the way to the left side non-stop. But remember to change and free your left hand when we're going to leave to turn to the left side. Let's do it with music. 5th position, right side first, right leg in front, pencil on your left arm. 6, hold it, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, plie, open and half, close forward, open arms and down, up, open, 4th position, plie, open arms and half, close forward, repeat, one more time. Plie, open, deep plie, up, close forward and last time. First, open, plie, deep plie and half, close to the back, left side. 1, 2, 3. And half, close in front. 1, 2, 3. Plie deeper and up. Awesome. I'm discoordinated. open, plie, and half. Awesome, last one. First position, second, fourth plie, open and up, close to the back. Now let me know if you want to have this exercise without intro, without words, just me doing the exercise with music. So I will post it on my Instagram for you guys, okay? Now, if you want to support my channel, remember to subscribe if you are new. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell so when I upload the fourth video, you get direct notification. See you in my next class.